super excited. Hi, it's me, Corinfrae. Subscribe for more lovelies. Hey y'all. Let me stop playing with y'all. Hey y'all, it's your girl Corinfrae. Y'all, today we're gonna go on a mini vlog with me. We're gonna just take a drive to Target and I'm gonna just take y'all with me. Like, hold on. It's hair, y'all. It's hair on my lips. This Alex is not there. It's pissing me off. But today we're just gonna do a mini trip. Hold on. It's too hot. Too hot. Sorry for the noise. Turn your headphones down. Okay, y'all. So I'm just gonna do a mini come with me to Target vlog. I have to get more videos out there. Like, I really have to get more videos out. So that's what we're gonna start doing. So I don't care if it was calling me to the bathroom. No, I'm just playing. Y'all finna just call me to Target. We're gonna see if we fun today. We're gonna go on a mini stroll. Yeah, you know, all vibes. So let's go ahead, get into it, girl. So y'all, I'm really going to Target. I'm going to Target because I'm getting makeup. Oh, also I have to get a tripod. I need a tripod for my phone and my camera. And also I'm going because y'all, I'm gonna start doing my own makeup. Like, I'm gonna go get some makeup and I'm gonna start because I'm reinventing myself. I'm changing. I'm gonna start being the woman I want to be instead of waiting for her to come. You feel me? It's like I want to be here, but I was not taking those steps to be there. You know, you can't just wake up that person. So yeah, I'm training myself to be her for her. So they both fly. I'm really working on inventing myself. I'm changing a lot of things. Not saying makeup is something that needs to change, but I just want to know how to do my own makeup. So yeah, we're gonna head there for that, and then we're just gonna get whatever I see, like if I see anything else. But enough chit chat, y'all. Let me go back to the road. So y'all, hope y'all enjoy this vlog. Don't forget to like and subscribe. My camera shot. I just realized I'm doing a little voice change. Oh, this is super cute. Let's take this overboard now. Okay, y'all, so she's gonna help me pick the color for my skin. So for foundation, I'm starting off with NYX to see if I like it or not. I have dry skin, so yeah, I had a list of items I did want to try because I did do my research first, but I trust Ultra Beauty, so we're gonna get into it. So y'all, now we're getting the concealer from e.l.f. and I have my list here, so it's a lot of walking around and trying to find. Well, I'm so scared, but I'm happy at the same time. This is what I have so far. Not really nothing. Okay, y'all, so we're back in the car and y'all, I'm super excited. Like, let me turn the AC down. I don't know if it's too loud for y'all or not. Let me take the glasses off. Y'all, I'm super excited. Like, I just can't wait. Like, the things I got. Y'all don't mind the side of my lace. I didn't really put it on for real. I just sprayed it down, tried to style, whatever. It's not the best I've done to my hair, but it's okay. So I went to Starbucks and I got this drink. It's actually, let me see what it's called, because y'all, she gave it to me for free because I was ordering the vanilla bean cream. And then I was like, well, on TikTok, it was talking about like the matcha drink or something like that. So when I asked her about it, she said they don't have matcha right now. And she was basically like, you never tried chai? I think that's what she said. Let me see. She didn't give me a receipt. Y'all, she gave me this drink for free just to try it. Like, how sweet of her. That was super sweet of her. It's called chai tea latte with oatmeal and brown sugar. I had to write in my notes. So y'all gonna taste it. Her lip gloss gonna come off. Let me see. I mean, it's not nasty. It's just not a drink I'll buy every day. I mean, it's pretty good. It give me fall vibes. That makes sense. Like, it tastes like fall. I don't know if that makes sense. I think because I just love vanilla. Vanilla gonna do it all the time. Look out for a first time makeup video with me. Like, I can't wait. Let me show you what I got, y'all. Oh my gosh. People just looking at me. Okay, so I got the Real Techniques brush kit. I mean, it's a face, eye, and cheek. Real Techniques. Oh my god. Damn. So y'all got that. It was $18.99. I spent $130 on makeup. Yes, oh, it can't even show. I'll put the receipt. It really don't matter how much I spent. But all these items I got was $130. I got the Neutrogena Hydro Boost. This is what I guess you put on before you put on the primer. NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop Mattify. Actually, you know what? Scratch that. Y'all go check out my next video of me using all these products, because I will talk about other products. But yeah, guys, thanks for coming with me to Target. This is actually kind of good. Hold on. Yeah. All right, y'all, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like. I'll be so loud. Hold on. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, you guys. I love that you guys came along with me. And if you made it this far, y'all, comment down your favorite Starbucks drinks. Let me know. Put your girl on. I want to start, you know, drinking a little bit of Starbucks. I just want to see what they be by. I always get vanilla bean creams or Dunkin' Donuts vanilla bean cooladas. But y'all, put me on to something. And I just want to say thank y'all once again. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, y'all. Corinfrae is out. That's it. Mostly out. Bye, y'all.